everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time joining us, thank you for watching. And if you are returning, welcome back. Guys, today we are going to be talking about this. We're going to be setting up an 8-inch foam mattress by the company ZINUS. And it's going to be very helpful for you to pay close attention and also be careful with the knives and scissors that you're using to open up these boxes. I'm pretty sure they can be very sharp. So yeah, just welcome everyone. And so now today we're going to be diving into the world of comfort as we unwrap and explore the features of this 8-inch foam mattress. And so we're going to embark on a journey of unwrapping and discovering what this mattress has to offer. So as you can see right now, it's about, I would say about 1 inch in height right now, maybe 1.5. They have it wrapped so tight, guys, and it's multiple layers of wrapping on this mattress, because it's gonna go from, say, like 1.5 inches all the way up to 8 inches. So of course, when they're manufacturing these and getting them wrapped, they want them to wrap so tight that they don't want anything to be bulging out and busting out of the box and all that, because the plastic didn't hold. So let's take our time and get this mattress unwrapped. There's nothing else in the box, as you can see. And then also always make sure you read all the directions and instructions and information on your new products so that you can know exactly what to expect or what to be careful of, guys. This is for your reading pleasure. So go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so we are going to start by unwrapping the mattress. Now the package, like I say, is very secure. And now I'm going to try to begin to peel away at these layers of plastic wrapping. It's quite a bit on here. And you can definitely do like a cut or tear on your mattress if you're not super careful. So it is almost like unwrapping a gift. You know, the anticipation for what lies beneath this wrapping is can get pretty intense. So guys, this is very well wrapped. I think that I'm going to do the intricate part off camera so I can take my time, not feel rushed, and pay attention, because I'm thinking that if you get like a puncture or a cut on the foam mattress, I'm not sure if it's going to be able to perform as well with like a hole in it or a cut in it or something like that. So I'm going to go off camera, get this unwrapped, and then I'll be back once the plastic is unwrapped, guys. This is, I can't even, it's so tight and very well wrapped, I can't even get going here. You know, like normally I would probably just cut down there and get it open, but you can't do that. Okay, so now as each layer is removed, the mattress it's going to start to expand. And it's a very fascinating transformation from a compressed state to a full 8 inches of comfort. And you can feel the quality in the material as it regains its original shape, promising a supportive and cozy sleeping experience, guys. So let's just, you see all this wrapping I'm taking off, and it's still more to go. So definitely know that you are going to have to take your time with the wrapping. Don't rush, or else you're going to cut something up. Okay, guys. And I wish you could experience this with me. The foam feels incredibly soft from what I can get my hands on right now. And I do notice that it just really feels like once this is put together, it's going to be very comfortable. So this is I'm setting this up for company. Company's coming and they are gonna need somewhere to stay. Now the foam mattress, it is more stationary than like maybe the air mattress, because the air mattress you can take the air out, fold it up, put it back in the bag, and then you have your space that you were using. But now this is going to be a little bit more stationary. I actually have a bed frame. Guys, continue watching to the end so that you can see the bed frame put together. I didn't want to bore you with putting the bed frame together, so there's a quick video at the end for you to watch about putting the bed frame up. So make sure you do that. Okay, so great, guys. Now this is about 3 to 4 inches now, guys, just from the time we unwrapped it until just now when it's completely unwrapped. It has filled itself or inflated itself, or whatever terminology you want to use, to about 4 inches. So go ahead and get all this wrapping put over to the side. The mattress is so comfortable, guys, and I can totally see why they want you to give it 24 hours before you rest on it, to give it a chance to fill itself up. So it's going to need to fill up to 8 inches. So it's about halfway there. So I'm thinking probably at least another couple hours, but definitely, guys, follow the directions for 24 hours on these mattresses. Okay, and so here it is. Just let it rest for 8 hours, and then you can start putting your bed together. So here's the bed. It goes together pretty easily, and you put your mattress on there, and then you're going to be all set. Okay, guys, and make sure if you have any questions or any comments, put those in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and thank you so much. Everyone, thank you. If you have made it this far into the video, just continue watching to see the different variations on how you can set up your new foam mattress and the different bed frames. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.